Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. And if you own the Dride dash cam, wanted to share with you what I do. And I put this locking Velcro on the back of the Dride and also on my windshield so I can easily take it off and remove it and put it back on. It's worked really well. And also with the hot heat, it doesn't have to sit there, and then I just plug it in and then I just stick it on there and it stays perfectly. I have no issues with any of my video recording. And then when I'm done, I just pull it off, put this to the side, and then what it allows me to do as well with the hot heat, I have this window protection, and so I can put it on, and it also gets the Dride out of the way, and then I can keep my car a little bit cooler and also keep the Dride from getting damaged. I'll put a link to this Velcro that you could order, and it's a locking Velcro and it works really well. And I just wanted to share this quick tip with you. So if you own the Dride, or you're going to be getting the new one that's coming out, and I'll put a link to that one as well, then you'd be able to easily take it off and then put it back on. And this way also, for if somebody were to see what's in your car, they won't see it, because now you could store it away when you're not in the car. Well, be safe out there. Thanks for watching. Take care.